So my friend, what do you have here? We have like skin fade, mid fade, and short to the top. I will keep the fringe to the end as my customer asked for. He asked to go short here, which is I suggest to go number 2 maximum, because like he doesn't like to get any to find any bulk here or stuff like that. Anyway, so I will show you how you do it in easiest and basic way. First thing, we start to guideline using the clipper. As I said, the clipper easier for you as a beginner, because you're not gonna make any hard line, hard to remove. After you finish the guidelines, your guidelines, I'll now shave everything using your clipper, everything below the guideline. Now grab your shaver and shave halfway, don't go to the end of the 0 guideline, just like halfway. Now grab your trimmer, and there's a small guideline between the super 0 and the 0. That's what I'm trying to remove, just like in between. Don't go too high. Don't go to the end of the 0 guideline. Next step, back to the clipper, open the clipper to the end, and just jump 1 inch with the half. Now if you see there's a small guideline between the 0 and the half, I'll close the clipper halfway and I will hit only on the middle. Now number 1.5 level open, and I will cut until the end, but don't go in, up. Next, number 1 level open, and just before the end of the number 2. Did you see this end of the number 2? Just before it. And flick the clipper like that way. Last step of the fade, we're going to use number half level open, and I will just hit this line, this the end. So just on this line. Once you remove this line, that's it. The fade is finished. You want to leave it? Because the blend is nice now, that's why you'll ask to leave it. See? Just when you do the blend nice, doesn't matter about the top. That's why they are. Yeah? Leave the top? Yeah, okay, too easy. So I'll just like a blend a little bit from here, and I will leave the top for you. Yeah, that's the difference. That's why most of my customers, when I get the size done, they ask me to leave the top, because they see the top sitting properly. But also I have to blend a little bit from the sides to give you more. This is your first time here?
No,
Oh yeah, you've been here before, yeah. I remember I give you a haircut before a few times, yeah, isn't it?
Yeah, a couple of times.
Oh yeah. So you said I want to keep this natural. So only this part or everywhere?
Everywhere.
Everywhere? You want to keep it natural? Okay, too easy. So, anything else, my friend? Happy?
Yeah.
That's it. Do you like your haircut?
Yeah.
Where's your thumbs up?
Huh?
Come on, show me your thumbs up. Thanks a lot. Yeah, it's a nice fade. So my friend here, he asked to keep the edges natural. He doesn't like to cut it. So that's why I left it natural. Changed his mind about the top. He was about to go short, but after that, when he's the fade on the side, he said keep the top as it is. So yeah, good haircut. Another happy customer. Thanks so much. See you next time.
First choice barber.